Feeling overwhelmed by your bills? Struggling to save money or make ends meet? What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could save $1,000? It's not impossible, and it doesn't require a miracle. It just requires a few smart choices, and most importantly, a plan. Step 1. Set your goal. You've got 30 days. That's it. But don't just say you want to save. Write it down. Make it real. Step 2. Cut out what you don't need. Look closely at your daily habits. Those small luxuries add up. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions, limit dining out, and start cooking simple meals at home. Cutting back on what you don't truly need can save you hundreds, and that's money you can put directly into your savings. Step 3. Track every dollar. You won't believe how much you can save when you really know where your money goes. Use apps or just a simple spreadsheet. Make sure you know how much you're spending and where you're spending it. Step 4. Find ways to earn extra cash. Your current job may not be enough to reach your goal in time. So, hustle. Whether it's selling old things you no longer need, picking up a part-time job, or using your skills for freelance work, every extra dollar counts. Step 5. Automate your savings. Set it and forget it. By having your bank move money into a separate account, you're less tempted to spend it. The less you see the money, the less you'll spend it. This trick works every time. You're halfway there. If you've stuck to your plan, you should already be seeing progress. And that feeling? That sense of accomplishment? It's only going to get better. Don't stop now. Keep pushing. Every sacrifice is worth it. Step 6. Resist temptation. The hardest part of saving money? Saying no when you really want something. But each time you choose your future over your momentary desires, you move one step closer to your $1,000 goal. Step 7. Prepare for emergencies. Life happens, and there will always be surprises. But the key is to prepare. Small adjustments today can save you big down the road. It's day 30. You've done it. $1,000. You made it happen. You've proven to yourself that with discipline, a plan, and a little extra hustle, anything is possible. This isn't just about money. It's about building confidence, setting goals, and seeing them through. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start today. Take that first step. Your $1,000 is waiting for you.